for coming. Can I
you're
have another
welcome.
hug?
Yes, of course. Heart to heart.
Yeah, sure. I love that. So, Mandy, so far, how did you find the hotel? Is it nice?
Beautiful. The whole venue is lovely. Your team are amazing. What you're organising, as usual.
Oh,
Perfect.
Thank you so much. So, Mandy, what inspired you to be at this conference? That's something must be special for you. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. So, what's that called? That Thai language? Whatever. I learned.
Yes, because I love connecting with people like you, like-minded people, and really to talk about the logistics legends, meet the legends again. It'll be fantastic. Yeah. This is a very different type of event because this is more like a family.
Yeah.
You know, this is like coming to see good friends, old friends.
That's
it's
awesome.
very special.
Thank you, Mandy. And I know there will be one more legend who didn't come last time.
Yeah.
So we're going to meet him as well.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
And are you excited to also meet the authors from the new book?
Yeah, the new book is going to be fantastic to meet them. Cassie and
Simon,
Justus. Yeah.
The whole group of people.
The whole group. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that.
That's awesome. Yes. So, Mandy, what do you expect tonight? It's cocktail. What you gonna be wearing or anything you want to share?
It's always difficult to find things to wear for your event, so it'll just be something simple,
plain.
Simple
is the best.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Simple, plain, like me.
Yeah, good. So, Mandy, it's a short chat here. Please come back. We're gonna have another chat.
Oh, thank you. Thanks.
Thank you.